first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 4, Day 2. Listen carefully as I say a word. Rope. O. What sound do you hear in the middle of rope? That's right. The word rope has the O sound in the middle. I'm going to say some more words. Say the sound you hear in the middle of each word. Rose. O. These. E. Note. O. Yoke. O. Rice. I. Mule. U. Face. A. Huge. U. Vote. O. Cute. U. Okay, friends. So we are working on Super E with O and U. So I'll give you 3 seconds to read it. 3, 2, 1. Home. 3, 2, 1. Cute. 3, 2, 1. Bone. 3, 2, 1. Huge. E tickles the U, and then GE says J. Huge. 3, 2, 1. These. 3, 2, 1. Stove. 3, 2, 1. Mute. 3, 2, 1. Pete. 3, 2, 1. Those. 3, 2, 1. Use. 3, 2, 1. Eve. And you'll notice Eve is a proper noun because it's a name. It's a capital. So we are working on U as in cute and U blank E as in mule. Okay. We're also working on rose as in, O-E as in O blank E as in rose and O blank E as in cone. Lastly, we're working on E blank E as in Eve and E blank E as in these. Okay, I'll give you a couple seconds. Word, mute. Blend. Oh, sorry. Blend. Word, huge. Now, if you said huge, don't forget GE says J. Huge. Okay, go ahead. Blend. Word, dome. Your turn. Word, rope. Word, these. Okay. Okay, here we go. We'll take turns on the first line, and then I'll let you go ahead. Okay. The E tickles the O to say it's only O. Bone. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Home. Together, the E tickles the O. 3, 2, 1. Rose. Okay, these ones are your turn. We'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Close. 3, 2, 1. Cube. 3, 2, 1. Fume. 3, 2, 1. Use. 3, 2, 1. These. And last one. 3, 2, 1. Steve. So you'll notice we have U blank E, E blank E, and O blank E. Those are our focuses today. Okay, let's read this. Mule. Change the U to O. Change the U to O. Mole. Change the M to S. Soul. Change the S to H. Hole. Change the O to P. Hope. Change the H to M. Mope. Change the P to O. Mole. Change the M to P. Pole. Change the O to S. Pose. Change the P to N. Nose. Change the N to Rose. Change the to Ch. Chose. Change the Ch to those. Change the O to E. These. Okay, here are our high frequency words. 5 times. Ago, 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 ago. The lake froze 5 days ago. Boy, 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 boy. And O-Y says oi. So if you remember O-Y says oi, you'll remember boy. Pete is a nice boy. Girl, 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 girl. And I I-R says so it's girl. A new girl is in the class. How. O-W says ow, or O, so it would be ow this time. How will you get home? Old. The bridge is old. People. So E-O says E, people. L-E says ol. People like those games. Okay, here is our story today. I'll let you go, then we'll read it together. Hope rode home. So this is Hope. Here are some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, the. 3, 2, 1, see. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, said. 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, was. 3, 2, 1, Okay, your turn first, then we'll read it together. Hope rode home. Okay, your turn first. Together. The sun rose. Hope can go see Kim Mole. Home at sunset, said Mom. Okay, so they're going to go play. Your turn. Together. Hope rode to Kim. Hope was hot. Hope and Kim ate a cone. Your turn. Together. Kim Mole had a rope. Let us hop, said Hope. Hope and Kim had fun. Your turn. Together. Kim had a red hose. A hose can wet a rose. Kim did not get Hope wet. Your turn. Together. Hope had to go home. So Hope rode up the lane. Hope got home at sunset. Okay. So our next part is CVC syllables. So if I say the word awake, we're going to break it apart. Wake. Break it apart. Wake. So the A and the E in wake make the long sound. So wake has 2 syllables. Let's do explode. Explode. So we have explode. So even though we have 2 vowels here, these are 1 unit. So O, E stay together. That's why it's not explode. Explode. Okay? Because they're only making 1 vowel sound. O. Just like awake, ache is only saying 1 vowel sound. A. Okay? Last part, then we're done. Okay, is and are verbs that tell that something is happening right now. Is used when it's only 1 person or noun. Are is used when it's more than 1. So let's look at this. My name is Steve. Okay? So what is my verb? My verb is. Is is my verb. And it's 1 person. Steve is 1 noun, so it's is. People are standing on the bridge. What's my verb? Are, and standing as well. Are means more than 1. People is more than 1. Okay? Next, the girl is placing plants in the pots. What are my verbs? Is, and what are they doing? Placing. And who are we talking about? The girl. And is girl more than 1? No, it's only 1. So only 1 noun, it's is. So is Steve, people are, girl is. So we use is when it's 1 noun, and R when it's more than one noun. Okay, so we're going to look at some words and break them apart. Bathrobe. Bathrobe. So O-E stay together because it makes one sound. O. Inside. Inside. Break it apart. Side stays together. I blank E because it says I. Cupcake. Cupcake. Break it apart. The A blank E stay together as one sound, which is A. Awoke. Awoke. Okay, get right there. Woke. O blank E says O. One sound, so they stay together. Compete. Compete. Break that apart. E blank E stays together because it makes one sound, which is E. Okay, bye everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.